Why pea proteins are popular for use as meat analogs. Pea protein is derived from non-GMO sources, which may be seen as a positive attribute by some consumers who are concerned about the use of genetically modified organisms in food production. Additionally, peas are often grown using sustainable farming practices, which further contributes to their appeal as an environmentally friendly and socially responsible protein source. Now let us look at the molecular reasons for their functionality. Protein content. Pea seeds are composed of approximately 20 to 25% protein, with about 50 to 60% of that protein being globulins, viscerin and legumin, and 10 to 15% being albumins, conviscerin and albumin. Wet fractionation is used to produce protein isolates with low starch and fiber. Concentrates are produced using dry fractionation techniques like air classification. Texture formation. Pea proteins can form a gel-like texture when heated and combined with other food ingredients, which allows them to mimic the texture and mouthfeel of meat. The globular proteins, such as legumin and viscerin, form a gel-like network when heated, leading to the formation of a solid structure. The fibrous proteins, such as conviscerin and albumin, contribute to the overall strength and elasticity of the protein matrix. Pea proteins also contain disulfide, covalent bonds that contribute to their textural properties by stabilizing the protein network. The pH and ionic strength of the protein solution also play a role in the formation of pea protein-based meat analogs. At Synonyme Biotech, we understand legumes in general and peas in particular. If you wish to formulate with peas, talk to us. We shall help you on the formulation and validation strategies to deliver a nutritionally compliant and wholesome pet food diet. Contact us today.